After much consideration, I'm not going to be drawing anymore. I've thought about this a lot. It's been 2 years I've been thinking about this, and I just don't feel it when I draw. Have you ever done that thing where you thought about what you want to do or where you'll be in 5 years' time and you imagine it? I did that, and I thought about me being a drawer, a hyper-realistic pencil artist. And I didn't like the vision that sort of popped into my head. I'm pretty sure most of you are aware and probably not even surprised by this video, because there's been hints and hints I've been sort of letting slip that I've kind of reached my end with drawing. Do you remember a while ago I actually put up a video saying I wasn't going to draw anymore? And then I went to gaming, and that didn't go well. I chickened out. I was scared because people were reacting quite negative to it. And like a coward, I backed down and went back to drawing. And I'm quite upset that I did that. I always thought that I was one of those people that were quite strong, in the face of, pressure. I could stand ground, but apparently not. It didn't take much negativity for me to go back on to doing what I wanted to do. Hyper-realistic drawing, I love it. I love drawing. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love it. But it's just not something I want to do all the time, invest all this prodigious amount of effort and energy and money. Oh God, the money. You know how much it costs to create these drawings? Damn. I don't know if you've noticed, but one of my prominent, most watched drawing videos is gone, as well as all the related videos to it. I was sued, and so I had to take them all down, which sort of killed my channel. My fault. I shouldn't have drawn something that was copyrighted. But when that happened, I felt it. That was the nail in the coffin right then. I started thinking, why the hell am I doing this? Why am I just drawing from references I find on the internet? There's no creativity there. I mean, when I first started drawing, it made sense to take an image offline and then draw it. It teaches you skills. It teaches you how to use your pencils. I stand by that 100%, no matter what people say to me. 100%, you should do that when you first start. The reason I haven't been posting is because I've been on my other YouTube channel trying to build that up. I've been getting into animation. I want to do that. I'm actually really enjoying that. But the problem is, I don't want to leave this channel to die. It took me 6 years to get it to where it was. And we built a community here. I really like this channel, and I don't want to see it die and just go on and, create another channel. It's going to take me 5 years to build up another one, if I can. God, YouTube's so hard. It's so hard. It's so difficult. I don't know if I want to do that. So I'm thinking to myself, you know what I could do, Sean? I could just change my channel, my drawing channel, to what I want to do and stick with it. If I'm really into what I like, which is animation, then I should turn my drawing channel into an animation channel. Of course people are going to be upset. They're going to be really upset. That's not what they subscribe for. They want drawing videos. I get it. I understand. If I'll subscribe to a channel about mechanics and suddenly they start uploading how to do makeup, I'll be like, what? No. Sorry. I wish you the best, but that's not for me. But anyway, the point being, this is my official announcement that I am changing my content. I will expect that quite a lot of people will be upset. I do apologize prodigiously, but I need to do what I want to do, and I don't want to let this channel die just so I don't offend a few people. So this channel is no more drawing. It's going to be animation. I thank you so much for sticking with me through all the years. I see your names in the comments all the time. I see you guys. I remember you. I remember some of your names constantly keep popping up. And I feel kind of bad, like I'm letting you down. Because you really want to learn to draw from me. And I'm sitting there changing the videos on this channel. That's going to be... I feel bad. but I need to do what I need to do. I really do. And I hope you can understand that. If it's time for you to leave, you feel like, no, I wish you the best, and I thank you for the support up until now. But if you want to see what this new channel will become, I hope you'll stick by and see how the journey unfolds. It might be a waste of time, you know. Maybe the videos I make might be trash, you know. Obviously, that's going to happen because I only just started animating and I'm not very good at it, to be honest. So you might find it at first, but hopefully I'll get better, and if not, then yeah. And yeah, that's it. I really don't know what else to say. Bye.